Thank you for choosing StandUp Wireless. You're just a few moments away from getting connected. This video will provide direction on how to insert your StandUp Wireless SIM card into your device. Then we'll set up your device to work on the StandUp Wireless network. The SIM card we've sent you is tri-cut, which means there are 3 sizes available. You will need to pop out the right size for your phone. Be careful. Using the wrong size SIM card could prevent your service from working, or it may even damage your phone. Don't pop out the SIM card until you know which size your phone requires. But if you do pop out the wrong size, you should be able to reinsert or pop in the smaller size into the larger size. Depending on your device's manufacturer and model, how you insert the SIM card into your device may vary. Some phones have SIM card trays, and some phones require you to remove the back cover and battery to insert the SIM card. I'll show you how to do both. If possible, review your device's manual for instructions on how to insert the SIM card properly into your phone. First, look along the top, bottom, and sides of your phone for an outline with a small hole on one end, like this. This is a SIM tray. If your phone does not have something that looks like this, you'll likely need to take the back cover off and remove the battery to insert the SIM card. I'll get to that next. If your phone has a SIM card tray, insert a SIM pin ejector tool like this, or a small paper clip, into the small hole. Once you push it in, the tray should eject. Pull out the tray, but pay attention to the orientation of the tray as you remove it. You'll want to make sure it goes back in the same way. If there is a SIM card in there today, remove it. Look at the image on the tray to identify what size SIM card you need. If you need to make an adjustment, just pop out the SIM so that it looks like the one that you removed. Lay the SIM card on the tray as indicated. And insert the SIM tray back into the phone. If your phone doesn't have a SIM card tray, again, I'll refer you to your phone's manual for instructions on how to do this. But if that's not possible, look for a notch on the sides or bottom of your phone. Once you locate that notch, you can remove the back of the cover, and then you can remove the battery. Once the battery has been removed, you can remove a SIM card if one has been previously installed. Again, make sure that your new SIM card is the same size as the SIM card that has been removed. Ensure that it looks like the little SIM card picture on the device, and you can slide it right into place. Reinstall the battery, and then you can snap on the back case of the phone, and you're ready to go. Once your new StandUp Wireless SIM card has been inserted into your device, you can then power the device on. If your device says SIM card not found, make sure you put the SIM card in properly. But if the problem persists, please call customer care at 1-800-544-4441. If you're doing this for the first time, make sure you call 611 from your device to activate service. This is important to do as soon as you get your SIM card installed. Otherwise, if you've waited a long period of time, your service will be deactivated and you will have to reapply for Lifeline. Now that you have the SIM card inserted into your device, you have one more step to ensure your phone works on the StandUp Wireless network. That last step is to program your phone's data settings. You should get a text from 5115 with directions for you to follow. But if you don't get that text, follow the instructions in this video for help. I'm going to walk you through the general steps of how to do this, but depending on the manufacturer and model of your device, the options that appear may be a little different. First, power on your device. Then go to Settings. Then click Network and Internet. Then Mobile Network. And finally, Access Point Names. Press the plus sign at the top to add a new access point name. On this screen, you'll want to add the following information. Pause the video here to easily view the settings on the screen, and make sure you are careful to spell everything correctly. Now select the dot on the PWG Mobile APN. The last step is to restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, make sure you can surf the internet, and as long as that works, and you're not on Wi-Fi, then you've set this up correctly. Please contact customer care if you have any problems. Thank you again for choosing StandUp Wireless.